You are you and I were meant to be. I give my heart to head. It's meant to be my destiny. Baby, you hi sir friend. Destiny, you will I know my heart and soul. Good evening, singing to me again. Hi sir Fred, thank you for joining. Where's Sahabi? Don't my heart and soul. 16 tonight. Eyes loading. Sorry, what happened? It works now. It works. It works now, Sir Fred. It works now po, yes. Thank you. It's working. Thank you, random gone. For now, for now. It works for now. Naghali! Wait. You have fun, yes. Wait lang. Bye, mag-inom ka sa diha kay mag-inom kami. Painom mo kasi ano ha?
Tama ya daw. Anak mo yan, Jiho. Pwede yung sabihin dito po lang. Oh, bye. Ano mo yan? Bulong! Juice ya di babay. Juice ya di man yung bulong juice. Diya.
Pero yun, may, nakatay ba kung nakauba ka?
Ano ba?
You have, thank you. Maybe hubby sleeping, yeah. He's still sleeping.
Ako di Dio. Oh! Kalimutan mo ang bulong. Ha? Bulong na! Nagsakagulog na yan.
Thank you so much for the likes.
Bulong na yan.
Maybe he need to rest his eyes. Thank you so much. 8 million in the house.
Hindi mo lang ka yan. Sino natutuloy? Natuloy mo na?
Ano? Zumba, early morning. Then farm after, then work. Hello,
Ano mo na yan
balloon.
ang lubot mo?
Balloon. Send you message. Send me message. Wait. No Instagram meeting.
Ano nga dati?
So you're done with everything today, yes po. Yes po, Sir Fred. Anong pasumpay na ano na Diyos kay matamis yada? Bawal nga na. No rice filled tomorrow. Maybe on Friday. Hey, Mistake Mirage. Hi, Mistake Mirage.
Ano?
I will wash dishes soon and then shower and relax. Yes po, take your time, Sir Fred. Hello, you gutong Pilipina.
Kung mabalik mo sa birthday, ulo ka naman ito. Ulo ka naman sa papaiigi. Parang lang naman, ulo sa naman yung nagkaan.
Yes, I'm poor. And so what? Do you have a problem with that? Also, maybe you are rich, you are a prince. Where you from? But saw you online, so you came here. Thank you, Sir Fred. Oh, thank you, them there. The rich people in over here. My God, maybe are so. Are you rich? So, do you think you are perfect one? Um, if I'm very poor, it happened to my life. I'm dying. I'm poor too. Yes. Sorry, I'm poor. Rich people not allowed here because we're just a poor. And I don't like fake people here. I don't like fake people, liars here. Like you, them there. I don't like fake people, fake supporters, liars. They're just lonely, so they're here. So that's why. Them there. No rich people here, not allowed. Only here people, just positive vibes, good people here. I don't like fake people. No like for no like for very fake people. So if you don't like very fake people, you don't allow there. Sorry, I don't like people like you. Sorry, them there. You're rich in the heart, Cheryl. Yeah. Damn it there. I don't like rich people here, and even you are rich, I don't like fake people. Liars. I don't believe you are rich. You're rich but lack of good manners and right conduct. Talking. Liars. Your name is a stupid name. Do you have a stupid name? Damder. Damder, your name is like liars. Lack of attention. That's why. Go Kiki. Go Kiki, go. Damn there, if you have lots of money and going here and bully me because I'm very poor. Sorry to you. I'm very poor, but you think I'm crying because I'm very poor? Do you think I will cry because I'm very poor? Duh. You are poor because you are kwan, lack of kwan. And then the ano. You know what I mean? Hmm? Do you have a perfect life? Scammers? Liars? You're not poor rich. Mike is poor. I'm getting rich and Mike getting poor. So, if I'm getting rich, Mike will getting rich. Uh, by the heart. Full of love. Poor Dunmer, you're not going there anymore. Oh, sorry. Same here, my wife is rich and I'm poor. Hi, education. How are you?
Ano?
Hi, Higby7. Thank you so much for joining.
Na? Ano? Kakay daw?
Since other one broke.
Sabi niyan.
She ordered another mirror. Oh my god, another mirror! My gulay, spend too much money.
Happy ka mo.
Well, you have a lot of money.
Medical certificate. Pero kung ko sigurado naman yung
At least she spent money for the furniture, so she's not a scammer. Something like blah 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 blah.
Kasi nakalyo ka agad.
Same mirror, but she wanted it.
Ano ka ng pisos ng pababa? Ha? Ang pisto, kami pa kali di Dio, ipababa pero may sabi ko dito pagpapapawa natin.
Good morning. I'm just waking up, fixing to start my day. Okay, Higby. Thank you so much. Where are you from, Higby? She making this house done and beautiful, and then cheese me with a machete.
Para sa senior. No, kung maka-request pa ako ulit.
Oh my kulay. Hi, Ralph Passler. I'm American. Wow. American. I like American people. They are nice. I'm from Philippines, living here in the Philippines, Bicol province, Philippines. Hello, I'm Ralph from Germany. Hi, Sir Ralph Passler from Germany. I'm not nice. I'm American. My lover is American. She's super nice.
Ilan man yun?
You are such a sweet woman. Thank you, Ralph. Sir Ralph. Thank you, Sir Ralph. I know. I trained Mike good. Ah, that's good.
Ilan man kayo?
So what do you mean, Sir Fred? He's not good? Not practicing his scooter? Not yet. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe tonight. After basketball outside the court. Excited for bikini challenge? Yes. Sponsor for the bikini. Beautiful bikini. You tell me he is good? Yeah. I told you that if he is good, sexy. I saw bikini already, ah. What say again? Say again. What do you mean? Jan somewhere now. Bye. Thank you so much. Nana ko na kaya ko na. Maudo. Kaya yun. Maudo. Pag mauto ka. Akay, hinahanap mo si Ben? Hinahanap mo si Ben? Nagtudo. Si Ann. Ito, nagluluto isa ruda. Nagluluto si Ben. Oo. Alvarez. Thank you, Alvarez. Pamay, nagsabi sa imo.
Kaya mo madadali ito. So, kapag pagmaudo ka, magkawin ka na nakaasmo ka naman na daw sa upuan mo. Magkawin ka na nakakas na. Pag maihi ka, dito na lang sa pampers. Dito na lang mo, magkawin ka na lang. Tayo babay.
Pag ganyan.
Wala ng Santa Cruz.
Naman ako ako nagkita.
Saan ba kalisog?
Natagat naman sa
kami sipong ka naman.
Okay, Cheryl, see you later. Thank you, Sir Fred. Take your time. You need to rest.
Dad, nabot ka lang, di ka maano
Thank you
sa
for
tinapay.
joining. Hello, good morning to you all. May God bless you abundantly.
Pag huna ko,
And may
natulog ka sa
peace
motor.
fill your hearts and your beautiful family. Thank you, Alvarez.
Ah, gusto mo, Son? Ma, kuha na. Kuha na chicken na.
Patay na. Gano'n na lang, kani ko di mo maubos.
Okay. Ikaw, ikaw ang bahala, ha?
Grabe. Luto ako na bibigay mo ba?
Okay. Wait lang. Ma, gusto ko na sa ako. Okay.
Pag una ko natulog ka sa motor. Ang sipon mo, baby Ash, may sipon ka na naman. Puso ng luto?
Then shower. Okay po. Not rest while wash dishes. Okay. Okay, Sir Fred. Take your time. No worries. Don't let anyone bully you. Yeah. I don't let anyone bully
Ano
you.
ka na lang luto?
Never. How they bully me? They don't know me. The char. I'm not in bed. I have a really bad flu. I'm in bed. I had a really bad flu. A headache, my legs hurt, my arms hurt, everything hurts. You don't feel hungry. You don't want to eat anything. You don't
Ay, ang
feel hungry.
pagpagasolina. Binakal niyo.
Maybe you need to take your medicine, Alvarez. Where's your wife? Do you have a family, kids, brothers and sisters, something like that? Your parents? Ask them to assist to help you because you feel sick. Either you live alone.
550 ka makabaka nakita sa bike ko, sa chicken, sa
Yun.
bird ko, ah. Para mayaman ako.
Thank you, Jella. Maasahan ka. Isa ka ng huwaran na babae. Pwede ka na mag-asawa.
Pag kulang, sabi ka na lang.
Aba, pagkulang ay. Okay. Paubos na?
That's good, Kiki. Yes.
Ate. Diba?
I don't allow bully me. Never.
Okay, thank you. Raga.
It will never happen again. If they are better than me, if they are better than me, then prove it. No need to talk. I don't like talking. Prove. Tuti, hello beautiful greetings from Germany. Hi Tuti from Germany. Let's fight. Si Viva la. Huh? Ano pa?
Sa pagpauli mo na, pakato ka lang. Dapat ipipili ni Dada mo. Ito na. Hindi tayo sila na magbalik.
Can you adopt me? No. Why should I adopt you?
Ito masaray. Nag-diretso mo si Dada. Nagod ako nakababa.
Hindi ka man ibababa ni Dada mo. Ay kung maligis ka pa kagdo.
Di man, Dora. Kung nag-aatin ako.
What happened, Alvarez? What's wrong?
Hindi yung dapat si Tita Nini. Lumawa ka sa Aricho. Sa Ganyan ano sa'yo to. Dito lang kami dito nag-iskumitan.
No, I don't need someone taking care of me. No.
Tita Mami, si Mong Ben, si Ate Gina, Ate Tidal, si Kuya Bimla. Sinong mo, hindi ko lang alam mo. Tapos si Ate Giselle, si Ate Tian, si Kuya Jerome, si Tita Jana.
I don't need your hug.
Jano, dito man nag-school.
Hi, Sir David. Marry mo. Why should I marry you? I'm getting married soon. Look.
Sabi ko lang
Ay, nag-aabay lang ako. Pero nag-aabay sa mga classmates.
Dire, iba-iba na taon na nag-graduate. Sabi ko lang na dito
Thank you, 8 people in the house. Everyone needs a hug. Yeah, but I want hug my hobby.
nag-aaral.
They skip with me. Then skip with me. Huh? You teach me how to cheat? Duh.
Bakit na di pa nanaruyod si Dada?
Ang ko, bakit may babae ito?
No.
Iniisip niya.
Babae agad. Si Dada ko nun niya, diri ko nung maugmasan may honor siya.
Hi.
Ay, nag-iisip ko no, bali ang babae.
Gabi mo naisip mo. Overthinker ka man.
Sabi mo yun, As. Siyempre, maugmas si Dada mo ay may honor ka.
Joke lang.
Tara, kayo sabi mo man. Ako ko lang manalo. Papakin mo tayo.
Does he not like hug? He loves hug. I'm always hug him. We hug each other. I'll hug your hubby also. Hi, John Brevard. My beloved.
Ay!
Okay, let's hug each other. No. Oh, fighting. No one fighting here.
Ay. Wala naman nagtrabahan ka. Nakalabag pa lang ako.
Ha?
Joke lang.
Sirong sa kao. Wala ko natulog ka sa ano.
No, I don't like that. I don't like fight then hug. No, never. I don't like that. It's like a pick
Kapag mo lang ako.
pick people. Pick lovers.
Pagka mo lang nidada ka lang mo motor, di ka magtulog nga.
Why am I blushing? I don't know. You don't know yourself. You don't.
Oh, mas yun. Oh, sabi ni Ate, matulog na sa kayo siya.
You make me blush, be.
Kaya ano ko no, nila.
Why should I blush you? My God, I.
Isip mo kay
Ah.
babae ko na din. Yan, sira mo ng dandaran.
Why you been sassy? Duh.
Gusto mo sister mo
Wala ko dala.
I want mic.
Gusto mo?
I want mic. Can you my request?
Yan.
I want mic. Nag-isip siya, mic. Mic.
Ay!
Ay!
May? Aw!
Awas ba ka ano ka pa?
Awata ang too slow.
Napali ba ng susi mo?
Hi, new viewer. Thank you, Sir New. Newfie World, thank you for joining again. Thank you for joining, Sir Newfie. Hi, Sir Teros. Hi po. Oh my God. My love. Hi, Cheryl. How is it? Where are you? Good to see you again. Hi, Sir Edgar Cross. Say people is happy here in your Hi, my love. Bye bye. Like you're dancing. Thank you, Sir Newfie World. I meet you in Sir Fred Live. Hi, Habi. Fred, yes. I am from Sir Fred Live. I love you, my love. You're nice girl, Cheryl. Thank you, Sir Newfie World. She loves me, my. Duh. That's for my mic. Ouch. Hey, Newfie. Your love for your man is very touching. Yes, po. I love him so much.
Daan, kaklase ko.
Hello, sure, had to send him away.
Ay, nagpakalikot ko na gamit ko sa Diyos.
Trumiyake Cheryl.
Wala ka pag-attend. Wala.
Hey, Fred. Hello.
Sabi, oo, pagduwa na niya kagabi. Dahil nagdad. Sabi ko, mao, sabi ko, "Sotro
No.
na."
No kiss.
Si Kambal, ano yung Kambal yan to?
Bakit?
Babae. Anya to na ano, ito yung sabi mo na may Kambal na lalaki na tagapatag. Kaklase ko sa Gansaro. Si, Man? Sa ibang bansa niya to. Kambal yan to. Gapo na mag ha? Para sa dito.
Mama, dapat mo ikaw.
Kaman niya man.
Meron mo ako ikaw.
Mike, she will kiss. Give it
Ka na.
time.
Bata
Huh?
ka man.
Sir Fred, don't make trouble.
Bata ka pa na, raway ka na. Sumato ka na kay Charate mo, men. Bata ka man.
Oh my God.
Ba't ka magkatuloy sa rabaniling? Sa tiro. Nagbalik ka pa. Bali matapos na yan to.
Sunod daw nagula sa dididiho na pagkaon na niya
Then,
sa dididiho. Pagkaon. Hindi sa may lababo.
pagkao.
Gula-gula pa rin. Ito na din sa basura.
Mabalan.
Di kita I'm alright, I'm alright. Oh my God. Newfie 96 Classic is Mike. Yes po. How is Jennifer going? Sir Edgar Cross, Jennifer, she's working po. She's working, Sir Edgar Cross. How are you po, Mike? Yes po. 96
Kalate mo
classic
man,
sis
ito ka na
Mike.
balik-balik mo.
Hello, Boliman. Thought you were washing your dirty ash. The assistant getting shower. You smell bad. Hi, good morning, JZ Jewel. Hi, good morning, America. Good evening, Philippines. Oh my God, 260. Huh? Cheryl, you can give Mike that look, but not me. Just finish dishes. Next is washing my crusty ass. Blah blah. Okay, thanks, Fred. You're a good man. From Newfie World. Mike and Cheryl are a couple. Yes po. Hoy! Nagisiyak mamay si Papa yun. Ano ko na yun? May! Hoy! Wala pakialam. But she throws me kisses.
Ihi ka? Ito. Bakit? Ito face ka makita.
He will come back here in September, October. Yes. Thank you. Mike and yeah. But she throws me kiss. No. Oh. The kiss is for my mic. Newbie world, hi. Okay, girl crush. Sorry, girl. When she throws kisses in camera, she always says for Mike, but I catch them first. Oh my god. Newbie, I hooked Cheryl and Mike up. He's just went back to States. Yes po. He will back here in September, October. Be right back. Time for eye drops in both eyes. Okay. Infection is spreading. Oh my god. Spreading in the other eyes, Mike. Oh my god. Okay, Mike. Subscribe and commented. MNS. Thank you, Newbie World. Thank you so much. As an amazing couple. Thank you so much, Newbie World. I just connected to you, Newbie. Couldn't during my stream yet. Thanks, Fred. You're always welcome. My wife told him put the drop in both his eyes, Cheryl. Okay. My wife is an optometrist, Newbie.
Mama,
Iyo?
ako na lang.
Oh.
Thank you.
Magupag ka lang?
Opo.
Ay, sabi ko magkanto ka. Tita Mama.
Actually, pag ito na sa simbahan, nagkato ka na.
Sige na.
Ano, surutan na.
Could I ever
Wala, kaya mo yung ito.
you go? What?
Ganto kagabi kulay red.
Awesome. Free glasses. I really don't need glasses. I had cartons John 2025. Wow. Glasses I have is only if print too small, but yes, free. Cataract, not car. Okay. I use reading non-prescription. Wow. Hey, bibigyan. Pinakalive ako.
Diba? Kasi dada, oh.
Ang Canada. Ang Canada. I need you now.
siya sa puso mo. Huwag kaya masaktan ng kulay ko.
I need you now, baby. Uh-oh. I need you now, baby. Uh-oh.
One more lang, one more.
Absolutely. Huh? $5 store. Oh, wow. He think work is all that matters. Best saying as if the free it's me. Hi, Ramon. Hannah, you are very beautiful. Girl, thank you.
Mama, luto sa likod mo. Umiiyak. Ang luto ko yun. I need you now, baby.
Nagkaan ka na? Your eyes is so beautiful.
Ayoko ano to. I need you now, baby. I need you now, baby.
Lol. Day blue.
Karen, kasi mo makuha ka. Balik ko sa inyo.
Hinahanap ko bibi ito na yung baba ko.
Sa pag- Yan sa pamasahe sa tribute. Kaya kumatak. May sabi. Kaya nga, sa'yo mo nga rin. Sali. Kung nga rin din, yung nakakuha pa kanila kasi nag-aatal. Ikaw nga nag-aatal. Ibibigyan mo nga rin.
Thank you, my love. Double bye.
100.
Thank you so much.
100. 40 bagali man ang tao. 100.
$300 is not enough.
Kasi mo din ang wallet.
$2,000.
Kumain din ako kasi
Ha?
Ansa tricycle. 100. Kasi 20 ang sarap sa ako eh. Ay. Ang sasaba ko po, 800 yung pero na nakakapagpapag.
Kaya din. May asin na yan.
na tita. Ano pa ba?
Uy, yung para suratan na tayo.
Saro lang ha.
Ay!
Sabi mo pa.
Luway-luway na ka. Nag-live si tita mo.
Ito ba sa? Nakakala naman ako.
Eh, di pa na lang kayo. Oh.
Luway ka naman eh. Walo. Wawa. Weka. Dalawa. Sawali.
Very good. Bangko tayo. Very good. Umuyo ka na. Nag-live si tita
Ang
mo.
OA naman.
Pag nababasa mo, butahan ko tayo. Very good. Na. Perfect.
The perpetuals are waking up with, oh my god. 300. Okay, Mike is back. I will shower.
Pa!
Come back, I will show for 300. Too cheap, new fee. Make it 1,000. Yeah. Maybe that's the extra 700. Okay, be back soon. Thank you, Sir Fred. I need a nap, so I will probably be back later also. Thank you, Sir Newfie World, for joining me. Damn, now I can smell Fred here. Horrible smell coming through my phone all the way from Philippines. Ha? Ito sa ano? Sa balay may tissue dito?
Pag may tuldok din, minsan mag-stop ka naman. Tapos text, pag munay ka naman, tapos text naman. Yan, very good.
Ito nga mamay.
Yan.
I can't remember when that you
Nani, nagdadayari niya siya?
Ano lang?
Ano. Pero nagulo na siya.
Yan. Nakakamang ako din kay Modere, kay Interpret na niya ko.
Pero, irupsan si Mark.
T tapos
Kaya
I,
ano nag-go? Pag nag-ano
T,
nag-dayari yes.
O, T.
Painom ko na nga ni Dayato.
Pag siya, sinig na natin ko ano yun. Tapos nagkukutrek. Ang ano sa kanya, kami dugo. Ay, dugo.
Dugo?
Kanya.
Baka sa madlang dugo.
Hindi, may ano.
Ano na?
May ano niya sa tusang na mukha. Parang,
Ano ito ay? Tingnan ko lang sa lahat na ako doon dito ako.
what a picture of the canyon mic. Huh?
B.
No, will give me nightmares again. And that's New Jersey you smell. You bully each other, huh?
Pakikita ko ng mga sabi sa kanin.
Batu.
When na, ayaw di pala, no? Wala na sulod. Madaga na,
Yan. Good. Alis ang asa.
ang magkalap ko ng dayatap. Mga rin mga bayan.
Batu. Ini ang salamo mo. Meron ka sa repeto? Ay, ini orang puti. Batu, tas puti. Tama ko marami.
Ano yung
Meron na niya.
Yan, gusto nyo
Oh,
yung
mali na. Why? Why?
Gusto malimig na.
Oh. Yeah.
Mga salat na ay, salat na. Hindi ko nalilimutan ng live.
Nandito ka tayo.
Sa taas. Ulak.
Sige, ano rin mo naman pala. Sa buhay ako kayo. Pag ito ko kung nahulog na.
Ako rin na, ko kanina.
Pag takbo ko na, yung nahulog. Luway-luway ko na. Yung dyan ko ka.
Madaliman, madaliman.
Ay, gulo pa sa baba. Ano yung baby ka?
Tayo na muna nga diet up.
Bakit ito yun?
Nag-chemist na yung ka na.
Dapat ano siya sa nagito ha?
Ito, may pagito. Ito, muna ito dito. Ito.
Ano man?
Muna ito, nag-diet mo. Ako nito?
Diba, gulo mo na parang dito rin sa'yo. Ito pa no? Ito parang berry.
Sabi niyo to. Separate na lang.
Pero nagluwas na. Ano nga siya sa diaper?
Okay na?
Dapat sa kabukas, kasi daw ang karne.
Yes, the smell in Jersey is from all the nasty garbage from Brooklyn, the dump and Jersey. Hello, nephew and sister.
Oo na? Nagkunas ka na?
My father, diarrhea. Maybe same happened to you, Mike. Always something like that.
Ha?
Miss you, Mike. Love you.
Ano na? Ano ang kamot mo?
Dapat sa buhay.
Parang na.
Adobo.
Sabi mo, raas.
Dahil ko ano kakuha mo. Bet. Ay, ay. Na.
Dani niya?
Sino pa? Sino pa? Mane. Yan.
Tito, Tita, bago ka na ito, brush. Ay, ito. Ito.
Kasi naman nagbibis. Paiyong ikaw. Dali na. Hindi mo na naunahan ang letra.
Ako may saga.
Ate. Sabi.
Where's the little Ashley and daddy? The little Ashley. Nahanap.
Pera.
Next.
Ama. Oo.
Si hi kay Daddy Mike. Daddy Mike.
Kaya na Daddy Mike.
Daddy Mike. She felt shy.
Kagay ka. Daddy Mike.
Daddy Mike.
Daddy Mike,
Si Daddy Mike. She feels shy. Oh my God. Daddy Mike.
Daga.
Wala pa kayo simbahan.
So, ko katlo kayo sabi na balik mo
Daddy Mike.
Pakabata ko pa rin. Wala pa pare kung ano katto.
Sabi ko, hi, si Anda. Wala ko pagkakasya niya. Ay, nanak ko si Anda.
Ito nga yung sikita mo siya.
Wow.
Kilala. Kilala ay.
Pares ba sa kagabi na mama?
Ano nga ni?
Wow, ang galing naman. Leno. Thank you sa likes. Oh my God. Wow, ang galing.
Mali. Lo.
Sounds like it. Yes. Because when diarrhea. Diarrhea. Maybe because of the hot here. Hot weather.
Ay, dua. Walang ang sala. Pero niripit pa niya. Ano niyo na letra? Ay, ano naman talaga? May nga. Imo na bagaw nga. Lan. Yun. Ayun sa na. Nani sa gaway. Udah lang gaway son. Dali. Ngiti. Ano naman? Dali mo na.
Haram niya yun. Nag-ano-ano lang.
Ayan na. Ibibig mo na naman yun. Dali na.
Dada, timpla daw dadi. Kumatimpla.
Wala ko ikaw kumain ka pa. Ay, di ko na akin. Hindi ko baka nasasabi.
Yes. Mariam bad recipe.
Ay, pero uwi ma. Anda na. Ako nung nasing kami ngayon.
Thank you so much.
Pen.
Oh.
Ngipin.
Okay na? Okay na? Pataya na?
Ini naman mu. Ini mu.
Wait, I need to kuhan.
Ini. Ni. Ini. Yan. Ulit. Mu. Yan. Ini. Nani na? Para sa dito. Yan. Very good. Ini. Yak! Kurutot ka bastos. Ikaw ang bungi. Dali na. Dali. Tapos ka dito. Pag-bisay na.
Wait lang.
Oh.
Ha? Ano pa eh? Ano pa eh? Ano makulog? Ha? Ha? Ano makulog mo pa eh? Ano? Ha? Di ba nakulog? Nanan pa yung makulog mo pa eh. No, danan. Ano pa eh?
Ganda, pag-bilo.
Paano pa kulang ka sa ano? Sa tubig. Kulang ka sa tubig. Kaya ano? Nagodo siya.
Lagi na ko.